When someone finds your business on Google, Instagram is one of the next places they check before deciding whether they trust you. If your Instagram isn't linked to your Google business profile, you are making it harder for interested customers to find it. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and linking Instagram is one of the quickest additions we recommend adding because it makes it easy for people and Google to learn more about your business. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add your Instagram profile to your Google business profile. But before we start, one quick recommendation. Only link an Instagram account that's actually active. If someone clicks through and sees your last post was from over a year ago, it can hurt trust rather than help it. Make sure your business name and branding on Instagram also match your Google business profile. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Once you are logged in, go to business.google.com, and at this stage you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab open, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on Edit Profile and scroll down until you see the Contact Information section. Now, click on the Social Profile section and click Add Social Profile. Then click on the Social Profile field and from the drop-down choose Instagram. Paste the URL of your Instagram profile into the field. Make sure you include the full URL starting with HTTPS. If you are not sure of your exact link, open Instagram in another tab, go to your profile and copy the URL directly from the address bar. Once added, check the link once again, and if everything is good, click Save. And that's it. Now you will see a small notification box from Google saying that it might take a few minutes for the changes to be approved. It's very important that you let Google do its thing and avoid making additional changes until the notification box disappears. Making multiple changes while Google is processing updates is one of the most common mistakes businesses make. In some cases, it can lead to changes being rejected or even the profile becoming unverified. As you can see, connecting Instagram takes less than a minute, but it gives customers one more place to see who you are before they decide to contact you. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.